looks like you got it moved anymore. Okay, so we had to turn that freaking air conditioner off because it gave us a HHH, which is an overheating thing. So he's back there now. I don't know. Ready to... This is not the fun side of boating. Okay, conditioning, take 2. So far 93. Pump just turned on.
Go take a look outside and see if water's coming out.
Alright. Apparently we still have something in the system. It's not in the strainer. We turned it back on. It's now reading 94. No water is coming out the side of the boat. So we have something that's actually past the motor or something. So much for going on the pool. Now he's testing. We're testing to figure out where the blockage is. Okay, running!
Turn it off.
Off! So, no water's making it into the pump, but it's making it through the strainer. Yeah! It's my summer. This is a sweatpacks, a sauna. I'm gonna rename this boat the sauna. That's what I'm gonna call it.
I don't know if that's good or bad.
Summer sauna. Yeah, I have no idea what that is. I'm not really sure what it is. It's gross though.
It's got that material like it's inside of the boat.
It's mystery object number 1. So we're gonna try it again.
Alright. Okay, turn it on.
And I'll go look outside. Yeah, I know. Okay. It's on. No! No water.
It looks like the inside of the hose. So it looks like to me.
On! I'm gonna need a Gatorade to replenish all my electrolytes after this.
I just want you to turn it on one more time.
Okay. This is 1,000 degrees. On! On.
Okay.
On. Wait, I hear water. Hold on. Yes, we have water. And it's a pretty darn good stream of it too.
A leak.
Oh, all right. Damn it. We had a leak around one of the hoses. So it was missing a gasket. So we have this bag of like plumbing, miscellaneous plumbing parts.
See what happens.
And we just put on one of these little washers, which was for a Price Pfister faucet, and it seemed to fit air conditioner. Take, I don't know, 13. My lips are dry now. I'm so dehydrated. I just got literally splashed with like a bucket of sweat when he took his gloves off, because they were, see that? See how wet they are? That's the inside, and I literally just got splashed with sweat in my eye. Oh my god, I hate this damn boat. Oh my god, I've never had that happen before. My eye's burning, it's gonna fall out of my head. Alright, please don't leak, please don't leak, please don't leak. Air conditioner, take 49. On. Oh, that's a nice, pretty good stream of water. Okay, there's a pinhole leak. Looks like he thinks it's like in the hose, so at least the hose is long enough where we can cut it back, have a good clean hose, and do the pipe tape again, and reattach it all. So we have to go through the whole process again. It's Monday. It needs to be Friday.